have the Viola Pacifice. Looks absolutely fantastic. This looks like a tire that's been driving all day on track. 3 to 1, listen to this. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where today you join me in Portugal. We are outside of Lisbon and we are here surrounded by Lamborghini Temerarios. In today's video we will be fully experiencing it. Today we will be focusing on this beauty that's standing right in front of us. We will be doing a walk around, sound check and drive, so join me in today's video. So today we are here at the racetrack in Estoril. Lamborghini has invited us here, Temerario, first ever drive and experience. We have the Viola Pacifice standing right in front of us. Looks absolutely fantastic. We have an amazing spec here. Great choice of color, I would say. We will be talking about everything you need to know in today's video with the all new 2026 model Lamborghini Temerario. This being the successor of the Huracan, and we will be answering your question. Is this great successor or not? So let's get on and let's start today's video. First things first, you can already hear it. This is the engine, so it's not full electric. This here comes with a V8. It's a 4-liter V8 twin turbocharged. So as most of you guys know, the Huracan was a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10. Now downsizing it to a V8. Is that a good choice? Yeah, the V8 is not only the V8. Lamborghini Temerario comes with an electric drive unit, giving us a total output of 920 horsepower. So 800 horsepower coming from the V8. The V8 actually revs all the way up to 10,000 RPM. Yeah, the sound is quite interesting, especially while driving. We will be showing you that in a second. With exterior options, you actually have two. This is the base option. On the right-hand side, however, we have the Alleggerita package, which comes with a bigger ducktail here. The rear wing is fixed, so it's not adjustable. We have a bigger rear diffuser, we have side parts and also a front lip. And this is the base model here, the Lamborghini Temerario. The Alleggerita package will cost you, I think, 40,000 euros extra, and you can also go with carbon fiber wheels. However, this thing looks more classic. The base price for Lamborghini Temerario in Germany, I think, is at round about 307,000 euros. 0 to 100 in 2.7 seconds, 0 to 200 in 7.1 seconds. Top speed is limited at 343 kph. Is crazy. 920 horsepower coming from the V8 in addition to the electric drive unit. I've completely confused it. This is also the Alleggerita package. I've just seen the carbon fiber front lip here, the carbon fiber side parts, and also the additional rear wing here, which is fixed. So it's not adjustable, it's also not movable like in the Revuelto. We also have carbon fiber covers here all around the engine bay. And it's, yeah, you can see the engine, but it's not exposed as we have it with the Revuelto. The exhaust setup, the exhaust is sitting actually extremely high, as you can see. It's like 1 meter off the ground. We have a double exhaust inside. There you go. And we have the tail lights with the Y shape here as a detail. Looks quite cool. Carbon fiber also on the rear diffuser. And Lamborghini finished in black. Temerario looks quite cool because the tires, the back tires, are fully exposed. Just look at that. This looks like a tire that's been driving all day on track. Crazy. How do you guys like the design of the rear? Oh, as the sun is hitting the car here, the color looks extremely cool. Opening up the inside of the Lamborghini Temerario. Let's jump inside. Also, you have this cool handle here coming with the Alleggerita package, full carbon fiber door finish, less weight. I think 25 kilos you're saving with the Alleggerita package and the optional carbon fiber wheels. Let's listen to the sound. Putting both windows fully down. 3 to 1, listen to this. And it revs all the way up to 10,000 RPM. This is crazy, I'm telling you. In low RPM, I mean, if you're used to the Huracan sound, in In low RPM, it literally sounds like motorbike, sports bike, MotoGP-like. It's a bit boring, to be honest. Doesn't even sound like a V8, but this is not the final sound. The final sound is still in development by Lamborghini. Since the first cars will be delivered by beginning of 2026, then the car will be final. They're still working on the sound at this point. I hope they do, because low RPM, it's very boring. High RPM, however, it's crazy. How do you guys like it? Open up the door, you have to push this button. Let me just turn off the engine. Really cool. And now I will be doing this to open up the front, which has got a lot of space. All you gotta do is put that up. Wow, Viola Pacife looks so cool. You even have that inside here. Literally say Viola Pacife. And you have a lot of front space. There's also no charger or something in the front. The charger, however, is on the side. I will be showing you. You can easily fit 2 check-in trolleys, whatever, inside here. Easy. It's a lot of space. And here on the side, you can charge the car. However, you don't need to do that because you have a recharge mode. You can just recharge the battery while driving. So you can literally use the electric parking only with that. Is that cool? Yes or no? You decide. On the left-hand side, you can open up the petrol fuel cap, but it's locked. You just have to press a button to depressurize it and then just popping off. The entire setup is comparable to what we've already seen with the Revuelto. The seats here, since we have the Alleggerita package, the sport seats, bucket seats, full carbon fiber, and a lot of Viola details all around. Looks quite special. Being inside, let me just close the door here. Sonus, Faber, audio, and the inside is quite spacious. I have to say, you have plenty of space. I'm tall. I have plenty of head space, leg space, even though we have the bucket seats here. However, the bucket seats even give you more space. Quite cool. Steering wheel, display, passenger driver's display. Passenger display is standard inside the Temerario. Let me just start the ignition for you. There you go. Put up all the windows. It's always starting in Città mode. So when I start the car, it's ready to drive. It's full electric. See? It's electric. There you go. But however, if you just switch it here, watch. Strada, and now listen. The engine turning on, and then in Corsa, you have the V8 always on. The HMI, UI, the user infotainment, whatever, is comparable to what we have seen with the Revuelto. All these displays, you know, the main issue is, due to reflection right now, you can see all these dust and fingerprints, whatever, but easy. Just wipe it off once and it's gone. The HMI in general is easy to use, easy to understand. Also here, the passenger side, I just turned it off, on again, whatever. You can just share content or do whatever you like. Race mode, launch control, and EV mode. Here on this side, you can actually change the EV mode. You can go to a recharge. Recharge, as you can already hear, makes the engine RPM go higher. It will generate more range with the battery and will fill up the battery throughout recuperation. But you can also go to hybrid mode, so hybrid driving, and also performance. With performance mode, you have the maximum performance inside this high performance EV. So all you get is the best track time with the power of the battery. With the hybrid, you can just drive in the city, all electric, recharge as well. Yeah, on this side, you can also have the drift mode. You just press it, you accept it. Lift on the left-hand side. We have the key right over here. Lamborghini, avoid the same key. Looking quite cool. And there's a place to put the key. This is how you turn the engine off. All in all, how do you guys like it? Okay, now let's also listen to the sound from the outside. 3, 2, 1, listen to the startup. Let's rev it in Corsa. Yeah, that's how the car sounds like. The V8 revs all the way up to 10,000 RPM. While driving, it sounds quite interesting. Really cool. However, in low RPM right now, as you can hear, there's no sound. And this is the only thing I really criticizing about this car. It's absolutely perfect. The performance, the drive, the overall look, design-wise, it's either you like it or you don't. But the sound, I wish it was more. But due to restrictions and regulations, this is what Lamborghini has come up with. How do you guys like it? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comment section below.